The board added a project to its technical agenda in April of 2016 to address revenue and expense recognition comprehensively. Pre-agenda research was considered for certain exchange transactions, and a post-implementation review was considered for non-exchange transactions. The overall result of this research showed that governments recognize revenues inconsistently because they're struggling identifying whether a transaction is exchange or non-exchange. The result of this difficulty is that revenues can be recognized by different governments differently. Also, it has been observed that expense transactions may be oftentimes recognized on a cash basis. The overall difficulty with this recognition is that users are having a very difficult time assessing whether the revenues of a period are sufficient to address the expenses of that period. For this reason, the board decided that now is the appropriate time to comprehensively address revenue and expense recognition to improve the quality of information that users need to assess inter-period equity. With that goal in mind, the board issued an invitation to comment in 2018, in which included two specific models: the exchange-non-exchange model and the performance obligation-no performance obligation model. After considering stakeholder feedback provided in comment letters and public hearings, the board tentatively decided to move away from the models and consider a model that was based on the characteristics of the transactions and the scope of the project that were reflective of the governmental environment. With that decision in mind, the board has been developing recognition and measurement proposals that will be included in a preliminary review document to be issued in June of 2020. Additional information about subsequent board decisions will become available in subsequent months. Also, additional information will become available on how to participate in the process. I would encourage you to share your thoughts and your feedback with the board because stakeholder feedback shapes standard setting.